I've been working here at Eck for 2 years now. This is my first experience working in a foundry. I never even heard about a foundry before now. And ever since I've been here, I've loved it. What I love about working here is learning. I love to learn, so with it being a new experience for me, I'm learning something every day. I've gotten a lot of help. Any question I have, I'm able to find those answers. Any information I'm looking for, they have it for me. It's not a hard learning process, it's a day-by-day thing. From start to now, I've had nothing but growth. I've had nothing but help, nothing but a positive experience here. I am third shift heat treat lead. My day-to-day is I assess what needs to be done, make sure our paperwork is to standard, make sure that our loads are being loaded properly, that our temperatures are where they need to be, just making sure that everything is to the standard that Eck has. If I were talking to somebody younger, I would tell them that I would give it a try because I knew nothing about foundry work, but yet I'm in a position where I'm growing daily, and if you like a challenge, this is the work.